Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a 7-passenger minivan in black, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Grand Caravan includes fog lights, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has a lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first here. Right up top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with some storage inside the door as well. Now, if we take a look inside, this Grand Caravan comes equipped with black leather seating and all-weather mats. We have our key fob here. We're going to start this Caravan up. Now, on the steering wheel, you have your voice recognition, hands-free calling, along with your cruise control on the right side. You also have these arrows on the left. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. You can also see in the odometer here, this Dodge Grand Caravan has 41,661 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here, right now we are on the radio button or option where you have your standard AM and FM. If we press this media button, you can also see you have choices between CD and auxiliary. Now you also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition shortcuts on the left side. You do also have a little shortcut for your navigation on the screen here. So if we press that map will enlarge and you can set your destination. Now going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Down below is the climate control. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You'll also find your driver and passenger heated seats along with the heated steering wheel. On the bottom, you do have some storage and cup holders. We can also slide this piece open as well, where you'll find your 12-volt outlet. Now, like I mentioned, this Grand Caravan does have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that left button on our key fob here. Now, if we sneak inside, you can see we are continuing with the all-weather mats, the black leather seating. Now, behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little nets for some extra storage. The rear passengers have their own climate control settings along with a screen as well. The second row seats do fold down. There's a little handle here we can pull that upwards. The seats will collapse, giving you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Dodge Grand Caravan, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats along with a heated steering wheel, navigation, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here to northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail.